are you? Ooh, it's raining. Miami storms. Well, this is our favorite old low-tech vehicle, Audi Q5 2013. Doesn't have rear view camera, it doesn't have navigation, the gate doesn't open on its own, so we got something for it. So let's see what we got here. Made in China, which today pretty much every tech product is made in China. And this is a rear view mirror dash camera with wireless rear camera. So it's two things in one. Let's see how it works. Nice packaging. Instructions. So basically, as I see here, this is a mirror that we're gonna install over the existing mirror, but it also has a camera in it, so you'll be able to record whatever is happening on the front, and when you use it in reverse, you'll be able to see what's going on in the back. Wow, pretty big improvement for this low-tech Audi. So the connection for the rear view camera is wireless, and this is going to be mounted in the back. I assume I'm going to have to read all the instructions, something that I'm not very good at, but I will. This goes to the 12-volt lighter charger that will go in here. Oh, this one is from here. So let's see what we have. So it has a power button to turn it on. There it is. Wow, it was charged already. Oh, wow. So you can start recording at any time. Oh, no memory card, but you can start recording at any moment. That's pretty good. So it's basically a touch screen that this car doesn't have, so that already is something pretty good for this car. So here are the connections. The card will go here, USB port, and this is how we will hang it from the existing mirror. Okay, let's turn it back off. So here are all the functions for the mirror, and again, it's a touch screen. We'll go through that once we install it. But I don't see any. Oh, here are the other instructions. So this is a little bit more complicated than the cup holder. So let's see. First, we have the antenna interface. So this is an antenna. Okay, here it is. Okay, one step. Oh, and you will mount this camera. Where is it? On the license plate. So that's the way you're gonna be able to see everything in the back. So this is not as simple as just hanging it there. So this connector with the antenna, it's gonna go here, I don't have enough space, maybe. Yeah, I think it does. Okay, yeah, it's on there. Now I'm gonna have to run all this wire under the panel here in the front, the door, a pillar, then back here to the mirror where it will be connected here. Whoops, the other side. So I thought this was gonna be a much simpler installation. It's not. It's gonna require, I'm gonna say, at least 1 hour, 1.5. And it's raining outside, as you can hear maybe. So this is a weekend project for next week, but at least I already have an idea, a basic idea of what we're gonna need to do. So I'm gonna pack everything back together into the box. If I don't know how it was. And these will have to wait for next weekend. To unplug the antenna. This, I assume, is a tool to push the wire through the spaces on the door and so on. So I'll come back later to finish this one when it's not raining. So here it goes, back to the box.